Space is vast, it's full of mystery, and sometimes it puts on a show. One of the most dramatic events in the cosmos is about to happen. T Coronae Borealis, a star in the constellation Coronae Borealis, is going to explode. Now, when we say explode, we're not talking about your average supernova, where a star goes out in a blaze of glory, never to be seen again. T Coronae Borealis is a different beast altogether. It's what astronomers call a recurrent nova. This means that instead of a single cataclysmic explosion, it undergoes periodic outbursts, brightening dramatically before fading back to its usual faintness. And the next outburst? It's just around the corner, cosmically speaking. So, buckle up, space cadets. We're about to dive deep into the world of T Coronae Borealis, exploring its history, its science, and why this upcoming explosion is an event you won't want to miss. T Coronae Borealis isn't your average star. It's a binary star system, a cosmic dance of two stars locked in a gravitational embrace. One star is a red giant, a star nearing the end of its life, puffed up and cool. Think of it as the grand dame of the system, gracefully waltzing with a much smaller, denser partner, a white dwarf. White dwarfs are the remnants of stars like our sun, their cores compressed to the size of Earth. Don't let their size fool you. They pack a gravitational punch. This cosmic dance is anything but peaceful. The white dwarf, with its intense gravity, pulls material, mostly hydrogen, from its larger companion. This stolen gas forms a swirling disk around the white dwarf, called an accretion disk. It's in this disk that the stage is set for T Coronae Borealis's dramatic outbursts. Throughout history, humans have gazed up at the night sky, awestruck by its celestial tapestry. And every now and then, a new star would appear, blazing brightly before fading from view. These celestial visitors were often seen as omens, portents of good or evil. Little did our ancestors know they were witnessing the explosive power of novae. One of the most famous examples is the nova observed by Danish astronomer Tycho Brahe in 1572. This new star shone brighter than Venus, visible even in daylight for 16 months before fading from sight. Tycho's meticulous observations of this event challenged the long-held belief in the immutability of the heavens, paving the way for a new understanding of the cosmos. Now let's get down to the nitty-gritty, the science behind T Coronae Borealis's spectacular outbursts. As we mentioned earlier, the white dwarf in this system is a hungry beast, constantly siphoning off hydrogen from its red giant companion. This hydrogen, trapped in the accretion disk, doesn't just sit there quietly. It's compressed and heated by the white dwarf's intense gravity. Over time, the temperature and pressure at the base of this layer of stolen hydrogen reach a critical point, and boom, a thermonuclear explosion occurs. This explosion blasts the accumulated hydrogen into space, creating a shell of expanding gas that we see as a nova. It's a cosmic light show billions of years in the making, and we get a front row seat. You might think that after such a violent outburst, the white dwarf would learn its lesson and stop stealing material from its companion. But no, this cosmic glutton never seems to get full. The cycle begins anew. Hydrogen continues to spiral in from the red giant, replenishing the accretion disk. Over time, the pressure builds again, setting the stage for another spectacular eruption. This cycle of accretion and eruption can repeat over thousands or even millions of years, making T Coronae Borealis a celestial drama that unfolds over eons. Each eruption, however, is not without consequence. The white dwarf gains a tiny bit of mass with every nova. This seemingly insignificant gain has profound implications for the future of both stars in the system. Now, you might be thinking, novae, supernovae, what's the big deal? Well, in the grand cosmic scheme of things, both are incredibly important. But T Coronae Borealis represents a particularly special type of cataclysmic variable star. While novae are relatively common occurrences in the Milky Way, recurrent novae like T Coronae Borealis are a rare breed. Astronomers estimate that only about 10 such systems are known in our entire galaxy. This rarity makes T Coronae Borealis an object of intense fascination for astronomers. Each outburst provides a unique opportunity to study the dynamics of these binary systems, the physics of accretion disks, and the processes that drive stellar explosions. So, you're probably wondering, when can I catch this celestial fireworks display? And more importantly, how can I see it? Well, the good news is that when T Coronae Borealis erupts, it becomes visible to the naked eye. The constellation Coronae Borealis, the Northern Crown, is visible in the northern hemisphere during the summer months. It's a relatively small constellation, but you can find it by looking for the bright star Arcturus in the constellation Bootes and looking slightly to the east. When T Coronae Borealis erupts, it will appear as a new star in this constellation, shining much brighter than its usual faintness. Now, predicting the exact date and time of a nova eruption is still an inexact science. Section 8. The 2033 eruption, a front row seat to stellar evolution. For decades, astronomers have been meticulously observing and studying T Coronae Borealis, trying to unravel the secrets of its outbursts. Based on its past behavior, they now predict that the next eruption could happen any day now. Some models even suggest it could occur as early as 2033. This makes the upcoming eruption a once-in-a-lifetime event for most of us. We truly have a front row seat to witness a stellar explosion that has been building up for centuries. And with modern telescopes and instruments, astronomers will be able to study this event in unprecedented detail. They'll be able to track the expansion of the ejected material, analyze its composition, and study how the eruption affects both the white dwarf and the red giant. This information will be crucial in refining our understanding of stellar evolution and the processes that drive these explosive events. Unlocking the secrets of the cosmos. What can we learn? T Coronae Borealis isn't just a pretty light show. It's a cosmic laboratory that allows us to study fundamental physics and astrophysical processes up close. By observing this upcoming eruption, astronomers hope to answer some key questions about these systems. For instance, how does the accretion process work in detail? What triggers the thermonuclear runaway that leads to the nova explosion? And what is the long-term fate of T Coronae Borealis? Will it continue to erupt for millions of years? Or will it eventually meet a more dramatic end? The answers to these questions will not only deepen our understanding of T Coronae Borealis, but also shed light on the evolution of binary star systems throughout the universe. Beyond, the science-inspiring awe and wonder. While the scientific significance of T Coronae Borealis' upcoming eruption is undeniable, its impact extends far beyond the realm of astronomy. There's something profoundly humbling and awe-inspiring about witnessing such a powerful event unfold in the cosmos. It reminds us of the vastness of the universe, the incredible forces at play, and the fact that we are just tiny specks of dust in the grand scheme of things. Events like this have the power to spark curiosity, ignite imaginations, and inspire a sense of wonder about the universe and our place within it. T Coronae Borealis, a reminder of our place in the universe. In a world often consumed by the mundane, T Coronae Borealis serves as a powerful reminder of the beauty and grandeur that lie beyond our planet. It encourages us to look up, to ask questions, and to never stop exploring the universe and all its mysteries. So the next time you find yourself under a clear night sky, take a moment to appreciate the celestial tapestry above. And who knows, you might just catch a glimpse of T Coronae Borealis, a star on the verge of a spectacular transformation, reminding us of the ever-changing nature of the cosmos and our place within it. The universe is full of surprises, and sometimes the most extraordinary events are just a matter of time. Conclusion. The legacy of a stellar explosion. T Coronae Borealis is more than just a star. It's a cosmic storyteller, sharing a tale of stellar evolution, explosive outbursts, and the intricate dance of gravity. Its upcoming eruption is a reminder that the universe is a dynamic and ever-changing place, full of wonder and awe. As we anticipate this celestial event, let us remember the words of Carl Sagan, who aptly said, "The cosmos is within us. We are made of star stuff. We are a way for the universe to know itself." T Coronae Borealis, in its own spectacular way, is helping the universe do just that. Let's continue to explore, to learn, and to be amazed by the wonders of the cosmos.